Hey divas and gents, I'm coming to you with a Tresors Deluxe Design Team project, yay, / challenge. Luxe is now going to start hosting every month a challenge board for you to get inspired by, whether it be by the images on there or by the color palette. And you just go at it and use whatever goodies you have. You post it on the challenge board, which I will put the link below, and you have a chance of winning some pretty stinking amazing prizes from her store. So I suggest you guys jump on in. This is also going to be my last design team project for Tresors Deluxe. I have had an amazing ride being on this team with amazing talented ladies, and not to mention every month being gifted these amazing trims from Luxe. Thank you, Luxe, for having me on the team, and thank you for being overly, she sends you so much. You know, being on her design team, you get plenty of trims and everything. It's amazing. If you were to break it down how much she sells it in the store, you're getting a chunk. You really are. So thank you, and thank you, Christy, for being the team leader of the group. And I really enjoyed working with you ladies, and so I just wanted to make sure that I did this last video and let you all know. Make sure there's new design team members that have just been added. They will be starting in January. You guys need to check them out. The ladies picked some pretty awesome talented girls, so you will have a whole new selection of talent. So let me go ahead and jump on in and show you what I got. Okay, so I used this trim right here. I used this trim right here. And what I did with this is I cut all of these little dangle things off, and I only used this centerpiece right here. Okay, I used a couple of these, and I used this, and I cut this piece out, and I cut a couple of these pieces out and used those individually. And then I used some of this trim. Okay, so that's the laces I used. Now, I was inspired by Natalie, who has put some bling on it on YouTube. She had gifted me, or she had racked me and made me the stinking cutest canvas pouch ever. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I purchased one of the canvas pouches, and I wanted to go ahead and alter one. So what I chose to use from the challenge board is the color palette, fall colors, but then I got to put a little bit of vintage in it. So I have to say it was a little challenge for me using the color palette, but I think that's what is so neat about the board, is you pick what you feel inspires you and then create. And plus, I may no longer be on the team, but you bet your butt I'm going to participate in the challenges. So here is my pouch, and let me show you the back so you can see how it looked. So this right here is from my stash. So the whole purse is wrapped in this whole canvas. Okay? Or no, I'm sorry, canvas. This lace. So this one is from my stash, and this one already has pearls and sequins in it already. Okay? Now, from Tresors, I went ahead and used, here's that long piece that I have down here, and it's adhered on the sides. So I thought that was extra cute. A little simple touch on the sides. And then I have this trim from my stash that does go all the way through. And I have that on both sides. Oops. So it goes all the way through. Okay. And then I have couple of these charms dangling from the zipper. This right here was gifted to me by Anna Yanis. Thank you, Anna. And I have this little cute charm on a garment pin just hanging on the zipper. Now, I didn't do it to where it cut off here and you could see the zipper. Okay, see how you see the zipper? I didn't do it that way because I looked at it and I didn't like it. I don't know why. Not for what I was doing. It didn't look right. So I left the trim, like the trim's adhered all the way around here, but not through here, so that it has give to where I can open it and it doesn't hinder anything from me going in or out. You know, I have plenty of space. I don't have to feel like I can't get in because it's tight. It works out just fine. And then it closes easy. This does not get jammed. And then when I cover it, it just looks flush all the way through, and I like that. So the only thing you see is the little dangles off the zipper. So I liked that idea. And then here's where I used the little pieces of the trim. I added my own little tiny bling, whoops, to both sides. And then I have right here these flowers right here. They were all handmade for me by Elizabeth, who's Beady Bomb Bomb. Hi, Chica. So they were perfect colors for the color palette that Lucy had chosen. So this totally works. So I put those on there. Here's where I used some of that trim here and here. Then I have a piece of it peeking through here. And then I used the trim to dangle off the end of the pouch right here. So you'll see I have a layer of this one. And then I just put little blings in the middle right here. And then I have a layer here. Let's lift this up. Okay, so you see that I have this here. And I also have exactly the same thing in the back, so that it looks a little more full. So I have the same thing here with the little blings, and then I have another layer in right here. And then I hung little blings off of here on the ends down here. Whoopsie. Right here. Okay. So I didn't show that right here. Whoopsie. So I did put them on all sides. It's equal. Whatever I have done here, I have done on the other side with the little blings. So I loved that look. So everything like balances out with the pretty creams. And then I have this really pretty like apricot color here. And then I have this pretty like burgundy-ish color with a darker cream and a fall looking color beads in there. So that was perfect. And then ending it off with some beautiful cream, beautiful lace trim here. Gorgeous. So this right here is an uber stinking cute pouch. I love it. So you see it's really long right here so that you can wear it across, like across your chest. So it's perfect. I like the cute little rope. I wasn't trying to change that up or do anything like that. I needed to keep it simple. This is simple for me because I was like, no, I need to add more, but it needs to be functional. So I can't just add a bunch of junk everywhere. And so this is what I've created. I hope you ladies enjoy it. And I thank you so much, every one of you, for, following along with me as I've been on Tresors Deluxe Design Team and being so sweet and leaving me comments and, just keeping me pumped. Good comments like that is what keeps everybody going, So thank you, you ladies. I'm sorry, I just got off work and I'm pooped. But thank you so very much for being so loyal, so amazing. And you guys are all absolutely amazing. So I've enjoyed my ride. So thank you so much. And like I said, check out the challenge board below. I'll put the Facebook there also, and of course the store, so that you could take a look. So that's it. I am signing out, and thank you guys so much. Have an amazing and blessed night. Bye.